Hi, in this video I'm going to take a look at top
waterless car washing treatments.
If found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Start by spraying the bugs on the front of the car and let them soak for 5 to 10 minutes. While the wash wax all is softening up the bugs, let's go over the proper steps to waterless wash your car. Step 1. Spray an area to be cleaned with wash wax all. Step 2. Using a side-to-side motion, wipe the area with a damp towel. Step 3. Dry the area with a dry towel before the wash wax all dries on its own. As the towel gets dirty, unfold and refold to get a new clean side. We recommend you start at the highest point of the car. Spray an area to be cleaned and wipe it with a damp towel. Then, before it dries on its own, dry it with a dry towel. Wash wax all is safe to use on every part of the car, including paint, clear coat, plastic, chrome, vinyl, rubber, and glass. If the wash wax all dries before you are able to dry it, it will leave streaks. To fix this, simply re-wipe the area with the damp towel and dry it with the dry towel before it dries on its own. After 5 to 10 minutes, return to the front of the car and respray an area and wipe it dry. If the bugs are not coming off easily, you can use the Aero Bug Scrubber to break up the bugs and then wipe it dry with a dry towel. Continue cleaning the car, including the wheels and tires. See our other video for more details on how to clean and condition wheels and tires. We recommend you do the windows last using fresh clean towels. For light cleaning or touch-ups, you can use one towel. Take a folded dry towel and spray some wash wax all on one side. Then spray the area to be cleaned and wipe the area with the damp side. Next, flip to the dry side and dry the area before the wash wax all dries on its own. As the towel gets dirty, unfold it to expose 2 clean dry sides. Spray wash wax all on one side to continue cleaning. Wash wax all is great for use on the interior leather, vinyl, and plastic, including your dashboard, instruments, and door panels.
There's no magic in Blackmagic's intense ceramic product line. Well, maybe a little.
2 products infused with proprietary ceramic shield technology that will keep your car cleaner longer. Introducing Blackmagic Intense Ceramic Waterless Car Wash and Ceramic Wheel Cleaner. The 1-2 punch to keep your entire whip looking fresh. Intense Ceramic Waterless Car Wash ticks the boxes with ease of use, non-abrasive clean, and a streak-free shine. The ceramic shield delivers extreme hydrophobicity and lubricity with a layer of UV protection, durable against water spots and pesky contaminants. And it doesn't stop there. This new formulation boosts gloss, giving your car that slick, depthy appearance. All this without water. It's Intense Ceramic Waterless Car Wash, delivering the ultimate wash, shine, and protection. Your wheels are no different than your car, which is why we created the Blackmagic Intense Ceramic Wheel Cleaner. Effectively dissolves brake dust and road grime for a streak-free, high-gloss finish. Simply spray on, wipe, and rinse. Just like that, you're done. Blackmagic Intense Ceramic is a must-have for any DIY car care enthusiast. The ultimate cleaning and resistance against recontamination for your entire whip looking fresh. Intense Ceramic Waterless Car Wash ticks the clean and a streak-free shine. There's extreme hydrophobicity and lubricity with layer spots and pesky contaminant. This new formulation boosts gloss, giving your car that slick. Your wheels are no different than your car. Effectively dissolves brake dust and road grime for a streak-free, high-gloss finish. Wipe and rinse. Blackmagic for any DIY car care enthusiast. your vehicle's wheels. Looking fantastic?
Dan Sweeney here from Torque Detail, and this is our latest product, Turbo. Now this is a waterless wash, quick detailer that you can use all over the exterior of your car. It's going to create a high gloss shine. It's going to give it anti-static and hydrophobic properties. That way it'll resist contaminants and water, and on top of that, it's going to enhance your ceramic coating, your wax, or your sealant. So whatever you have underneath, it's going to make it even better. Just spray on, and then we're going to wipe off with a simple microfiber towel. Hey, let's see how it goes. Alright, now we're going to put Turbo to the torque test. Ready? Another slide off, and that's because it's protected and sealed. Hey, let's see how it goes. Alright, now we're going to put Turbo to the torque test. Ready? Another slide off, and that's because it's protected and sealed. You get that high gloss shine with that diamond-like protection. Take care of your car today and get a bottle of Torque Turbo.
What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from MASTERSONS Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to wash your car using zero water with our MASTERSONS Waterless Wash and Shine. Now this is our favorite product for washing cars using zero water. This is an eco-friendly waterless wash that cleans, shines, and protects in one easy step. Now you can pick this up in a 16 ounce with a sprayer, or you can also pick it up in a gallon size. So if you're a professional detailer or you got a lot of cars, this is the best package to wash your car. Now you don't need any hoses, you don't need any buckets. All you need is the waterless wash and shine and your favorite microfiber towels. I like to use these green ones that we have from our MASTERSONS Car Care shop. Now our MASTERSONS Waterless Wash and Shine is really easy to use. It's a full wash system in a bottle, so you can wash your car anywhere, anytime, on the go. So if you live in a home that doesn't have access to water, or you have a garage and you want to maintain your vehicles indoor, or you live somewhere that is water restricted and they don't allow you to wash your cars outside, this is a great option for that. Let's show you guys how it works. It's a hassle, it ruins the day, it takes too much time. This is a great way to wash your car anywhere, anytime. I'm gonna fold my towel to a clean side. There we go. And let's just give it a good wipe. Nice, pull it right off. This is such an easy way and a fast way to wash this car, and it's environmentally safe. Our MASTERSONS Waterless Wash and Shine saves millions of gallons of water every year. So if you're looking for a way to wash your car eco-friendly and fast, this is a great way to do it. Plus, if you have an electric car, you can wash your car while charging with this solution. There we go, check that out. Now, if you guys have a dirty microfiber towel, just go ahead and change it up, get a new microfiber towel, and then you're just gonna buff it to a high gloss shine. There we go. Wow. Now this is a daily driven BMW that sits outside every single day, and look at the difference on that. It went from being filthy dirty on this side with a lot of grit to a beautiful white paint. And that's all with our MASTERSONS Waterless Wash and Shine. Now you can wash the car anywhere, anytime, because this product is gonna clean, shine, and protect the surface in one easy step. Now you guys know how to wash your car waterlessly using the MASTERSONS Waterless Wash and Shine. Now if you guys wanna pick this up today, hop online, pick it up, ship directly to your door, and you can wash your car instantly, anywhere, anytime. Now I'm Greg from MASTERSONS Car Care. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.
What's up everybody, Joey here at Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we got this Toyota 4Runner in the shop. It's not that bad, but you do have like a light little grime. You got some, bee pollen, you got some caquita on the hood as well. Today we're gonna be utilizing a different form of wash, something that isn't so loud with like a pressure washer, something that isn't so tedious as to pulling out all these garden hose and washing the car with. So today we're gonna be showing you guys how to wash the car using Rinse-Free, which is a waterless car wash solution. So like I said, we're gonna be using our rinse-free waterless wash method here today. Along with that, we're also gonna be utilizing 2 dirt traps for our 2 buckets, so we can do a 2-bucket wash method, so we can, filter the dirt and the grime that we're gonna get off of this vehicle from our wash mitt, so that we don't, reinstall that dirt onto the paint and, install more scratches and swirls. So first, you're gonna wanna go ahead and put one of your dirt traps in. You're gonna wanna do it in an angled manner, and then you're gonna wanna let it sit buried towards the bottom, and it creates an airtight seal so that all that dirt stays forced at the bottom of the bucket. All right guys, so now that we have our dirt trap sitting at the bottom of our buckets, we're gonna go ahead and apply our rinse-free solution into one of our buckets, we're only going to need to use 1 ounce per 5-gallon bucket. 1 ounce is pretty much equivalent to about a good squirt. Probably help if I opened it. So 1 ounce is pretty much equivalent to 1 squirt of the rinse-free bottle. Boom, that's all we're gonna need. And this has been Chemical Guy Detail Garage. Joey, see you guys next time.